Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a happy little turtle. Let's start. First, draw a big round shell and a little tail. Add 4 tiny legs. Let's decorate the shell with fun shapes. Beautiful. 2 smiling eyes. Look, Turtle is smiling at us. Now Turtle is ready for a slow walk. Draw some green grass for Turtle to walk on. Can you imagine the soft grass under Turtle's feet? Now add 2 colorful flowers. Draw fluffy blue clouds in the sky. The flowers say, "Hello, Turtle." Artist palette, let's color our happy turtle. Now it's time for the most exciting part. Color slowly and stay inside the lines. Our little turtle is looking happier already. Next, pick a brown crayon for the turtle's shell. Use a light brown color first. Then add a little dark brown around the edges to make the shell look strong and beautiful. Wow! Now let's color the tummy with a soft yellow. It makes our turtle look warm and friendly. Time to color the garden. Take your green crayon and fill the grass with different shades of green. You can even add a little yellow here and there to make it look like the bright sunshine is touching the grass. Let's make the flowers colorful. Color the petals purple, the center yellow, and the leaves green. Beautiful flowers make our turtle feel so happy. Every picture is special because you made it. Fantastic work, little artists. Now look up at the sky. Use your blue crayon to color the fluffy clouds. Finally, check your whole picture. Are there any white spaces left? Fill them with your favorite colors. Remember, there are no wrong colors in art. You can use your imagination and make your turtle's world as colorful as you like. Give yourself a big clap. Our happy turtle is smiling because you did an amazing job. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and never stop creating beautiful.
Hello, little artists. Today we're going to draw a beautiful hot air balloon scenery. First, draw the big hot air balloon in the center. Make a large rounded shape. Then, draw the ropes and the small basket underneath. Next, draw 2 smaller hot air balloons, one on the left. Great job!
Just for you. Balloon, balloon, don't fly.
And one on the right.
Stay with me where we are.
Please subscribe to my channel, Tums Sketch, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new drawing video. Draw the beautiful mountains at the bottom. Let's add some cute fluffy clouds around the balloons. Now draw the sun in the sky and add small rays around it. Now let's bring it to life with beautiful colors. Let's color each part step by step. First, fill the middle section with bright yellow.
Way up high, red and
color the first section orange. Now color the center section red. Try to color smoothly without going outside the lines. And finish the last section with yellow. Now color the balloon basket dark brown. Add a little lighter brown to give the basket a nice textured look. Let's move to the small balloon on the left. Color the top part yellow. Fill the middle sections with bright green.
Play with me. balloon.
Now color the lower sections blue-green.
Floating gently, soft and slow. Balloon, balloon.
Add yellow to the small band above the basket. Left basket. Start with bright blue at the top.
Red and blue, and yellow too.
Color the middle band yellow.
Colors just for you.
Then fill the lower sections with orange.
Don't fly far, stay with me where we are. Up and down.
Did you enjoy this drawing? If you did, please like this video. Subscribe to Tums Sketch.
Balloon, light and free. Come back.
Finally, color the ropes light gray and the basket brown.
Balloon, balloon.
Color the sun yellow and add a little orange.
Floating gently, soft and slow. Balloon, balloon.
Now let's color all the fluffy clouds bright blue.
Drifting, drifting way up high. Red and blue, and yellow too.
Use yellow on the mountain peaks to create beautiful highlights. Add bright green in some areas for texture.
Fly far, stay with me where we are.
Finally, fill the mountains with dark green. Wow! Look at our beautiful, colorful hot air balloon scenery. I hope you enjoyed coloring with me.
Goodbye. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful mountain, river, and nature scenery step by step. First, let's start with the two big trees. Draw the tree trunks on the left and right sides of the paper. Then, create big, fluffy tree canopies using curved, round lines.
Standing strong, trees are tall and standing strong.
Now, draw the ground on both sides of the picture. Make the ground slightly curved to give our scenery a natural, beautiful look.
The sea. Leaves go dancing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch.
Through the trees, roots down deep beneath the ground, holding steady, safe and sound.
Next, let's draw our beautiful winding river.
Standing strong.
Start the river from the middle of the scenery and make it narrow in the distance. Then gradually make it wider as it comes toward the front. Now, add some background land behind the river. Draw gentle curved lines to create the landscape. Add a row of small bushes along the background land. Use little curved fluffy shapes to make the bushes look natural. Now let's draw the beautiful mountains in the background. Draw several mountain peaks and add some snowy areas near the tops.
Standing strong, standing strong.
Add a bright sun above the mountains. Draw a few small lines around it to make it look warm and glowing. Now add some fluffy clouds around the mountains and sun. Keep them small and soft so they don't cover the beautiful scenery. Finally, add some cute flowers near the riverbank.
Trees are tall and standing.
You can also add a tiny butterfly to make the scene more lively. Draw their stems, leaves, and little flower heads. Now comes the most exciting part, coloring our beautiful scenery. Let's start with the trees. Use yellow first.
Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for
Then add light green.
green and lovely by the sea.
And finally, use deep green. Blend these shades together to create a beautiful, colorful leafy canopy.
Rubbing soft
For the background bushes, start with deep green. Then add light green on top and in some smaller areas. Mixing the two shades will make the bushes look fuller and more natural.
standing strong.
Now let's color the mountains. Start with sky blue and gently fill the mountain areas. Then add some green to the lower parts of the mountains to create a beautiful natural landscape.
The sea. When the sun
Color the clouds with sky blue. Now color the sun with bright yellow. Make it nice and bright to give our scenery a warm, sunny feeling. Let's color the ground next. Use light green, yellow, and deep green. Start with light green, then add yellow in some areas, and finally use deep green for the darker grassy parts.
shade for
Color the leaves and stems with green.
green and
Now color the stones with gray. For the flowers, use red and yellow to make them bright and colorful.
trees are tall and standing.
If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch. Let's make our butterfly colorful. Use different shades of blue on the wings. You can also add different shades of orange to make the butterfly stand out beautifully. Now let's color the river. Use different shades of blue. Start with lighter blue and gradually add darker blue.
Leaves go dancing in the breeze, rubbing softly.
For the tree trunks, use different shades of brown. Use lighter brown in some areas and darker brown in others to give the trunks more depth.
Standing strong, standing strong.
For the deeper areas of the river, use deep blue to create beautiful water shading.
Shade for me, green and lovely.
Amazing job, little artists! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch. Finally, gently smooth the blue colors with your finger to blend the shades together and create a soft flowing water effect. And our beautiful mountain and river scenery is complete. Look at the colorful trees, mountains, winding river flowers, and little butterfly.
Goodbye.